Alright, this is the second video in my speed programming tutorial. If you remember the first one, we went over how to do code snippets and how to make your own like that. In this one, we're going to be going over smart peripherals. This started out for me in gaming, and I realized the necessity whenever I started computer programming. I use Razer, although if you don't want to go out and buy your own specific mouse or whatever, or keyboard, you can download some programs that'll allow you to map macros to your buttons. As you can see here with Razer in particular, I'm able to create a profile and link it to a program so that whenever that program comes up, it'll apply these keyboard shortcuts and hotkeys only whenever I'm in the Visual Studio app, which is what this D environment is. I also have it set up for like Chrome, so whenever I'm browsing on the internet, it does other stuff. So first thing like I can show you is, like, let's say I hit backspace, right? I can automatically do the undo or the redo. I have my enter button, and then I also have my my backspace button, although I just accidentally hit my run button. Okay, going back, let's reset. So I got my backspace button, which is this one right here, and then I got my delete button. So you see, I know that looks bad, but it does help. It was just an accident. Alright, so I got some stuff written out here, and then the button I clicked into, and then here's my button click, and whenever I do that, it does some stuff, which does some button stuff. So here's do the button stuff, and then whenever the form loads, it's supposed to do some stuff, and then here's that do some stuff. And I got it all mapped out, this is all hypothetical, but I haven't done anything yet. And whenever you're programming, you can go in there and you can do some stuff, and you need to set bookmarks. I'm not going to tell you all about the importance of bookmarks and how much they can help. I know you've seen it in some other videos. I'm just showing you that with the mouse, you can create a macro that'll do all that for you in one button click. So like right here, I don't even have to click. I just hover, and then it sets a bookmark. So I need to do some stuff later. And then this one, I do it again, and I gotta do that again later. Alright, now I start coding, code. And then I get back there and I'm like, oh yeah, what do I gotta do before I save and leave for. So I hit my back button, and see, it goes to this one right here. And then whenever I do that code, and whenever I'm done, I hit my bookmark code again, button again, and it's gone. I can navigate to the next one. I do all that. It's gone. Yay. Alright, the next thing I want to show you is the control copy, and then control paste, and then control tilde. The control tilde works with a program called Ditto. Alright, and you can Google and look that up. Here it is if you want to look at it. I'll try to throw a link at you below, but let me show you what it is first. So do some stuff, control C to copy. Button click, control C to copy. Do some stuff, control C to copy. Form load, control C to copy. And then I go down here, and then I hit my control tilde, and then it has a whole bunch of stuff in the copy paste. So I don't have to choose from one thing to copy. I can copy and paste a ton of stuff, and I don't have to tell you why this is super helpful. Now, a lot of you old timers are going to come at me and say, well, why don't you go up here and to edit and cycle clipboard ring? I don't know if you've ever done cycle clipboard ring, but, well, it sucks. It really does. All you do is cycle through the last ones, and you can't, well, if you can, I don't know about it, but it goes through them one at a time. So you would hit that and see it does the do stuff, and then like if you were to hit the button again, it it cycles through them. Whereas with this, you can just look at them all and then choose the one you want. To me, that's a lot easier, and a lot of times I forget where it is or what it is that I wanted. It's better for me. All right, so I'm not going to really dig into this, guys. You can see why this is a really big thing, and it can really speed things up for you. And like I said, if you don't want to invest the money in this, you can always just get a program that'll map macros to a button. That's going to be it for today. Thanks a lot.